After years of thought and consideration, I developed Brain to Body as a space that is deliberately different. And when people get to experience our studio in person, it's obvious that we're different. The design details, lessons, and discoveries that are intertwined within the aesthetic, feel, and vibe of our studio aim to touch the senses on a deeper level. We want our clients to experience something different, to think about themselves differently, and invest in themselves. I wanted a space that inspires me to inspire others. My purpose and why is to influence generations beyond my lifetime for the better. So in saying that, I want to inspire you to learn about and discover your body so the positive health changes you make are not quick, fad-like responses, but rather long-lasting, sustainable actions into the future. I want to make an impact. If our interaction inspires you to sustainably change one thing in your life, then I'm living my why. By taking the time to elevate and invest in your health, you can have a positive effect on those around you. Like your body is interconnected, your health is also connected to your wider circle and the environment around you. By being the best version of you, an authentic you can inspire your circle. I've spent my adult life learning and developing my knowledge so that I can help my clients access more. But in the past, I get frustrated with the limits on what I could share one-on-one, knowing just how much people needed to know. So as a solution, I've created Brain to Body Online. The great thing is that you have the flexibility to choose when, what, where, and how much content you consume to grow and develop your knowledge. When people are asked about their goals in life, they often say happiness, money, fame, and more. But the truth is that without your health, we could never achieve any of these things. So to start, our best and first investment should always be in ourselves and our health. This course is designed to help you take control of your health, so you can be your best self and pursue your ikigai. We will be expanding on this notion of being your best self and finding your ikigai in the Think module of Brain to Body Online.